I totally missed out on cookies at bakeries, so I decided to bake my own. And I'm so glad that I did this because these croissants filled with chocolate chip cookie dough were my highlight of the week. To be honest, I only got one cookie because the other three were gone in seconds. Stir in all ingredients for the cookie dough. I use pre-baked croissants and fill them with cookie dough. As you can see, preparing the cookie dough is quite simple. It is just a little stir and then you're good to go. I decided to use big chunks of chocolate, but feel free to chop them finely. Press the dough lightly on the croissants and bake in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes. Keep an eye on your cookies while they're baking because they can burn quickly. They have to be golden brown. The cookie dough will be soft and gooey and it will firm as the croissants will cool. They are extremely hot, so be careful and enjoy. Please help me out by liking and subscribing. Thank you.